Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to sign in to Google Play Store in TCL LED. If you have bought recently TCL LED and you want to log into Google Play Store and install some apps, then you must have to log into Google Play Store first. What you have to do, you have to take your remote and then you have to go at the top right side where you will see settings option. Here you can see along with time the settings option. You have to click on it, and then first of all you have to log into any of your Wi-Fi, or you can insert Ethernet backside to your LED. After connecting to internet, then again you have to open the same settings. Under your Wi-Fi you will see account and sign in. You have to click on it, and then either you can create a TCL account or you can use Google account. So we'll create a Google account. We'll click on Google, and then you have to click on sign in. If you have already Google account, you can sign in with that account. If you don't have Google account, then you have to go to this create account, click on it. Now you have to provide your first name and last name. Once you will provide your first name and last name, then you have to click on next. Now you have to select your date of birth, and then you have to select your gender. Click on next. Here Google will generate two automated accounts. You can select one of those accounts. If you don't want to select from there, you can create your own custom account. Click on create your own Gmail account, and you have to provide your desired Gmail account. After providing your desired account, then you have to click on next. Now you have to select your password, and then you have to click on next. And then from here you have to swipe down. Click on yes, I am in, and then again you have to swipe down and you have to accept these terms and conditions. Click on I agree, and here you can see our account is successfully created. Now you have to go to Google Apps. Click on get more apps, and you can download any app from Google Play Store. You have to click on accept, and at the top you will see search. You can click on search and you can download and install any application. So in the same way, you can also sign into Google Play Store in your TCL LED TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.